starving, but I don't want boring biscuits again. What if we make something crunchy, sweet, and a little magical before homework? Magical food? Yes! All we need is one big apple, 2 tablespoons peanut butter or chocolate spread, a handful of crushed cornflakes or granola, and popsicle sticks. That's it! I thought magic needed sparkles. Cornflakes are sparkles for the mouth. Step 1. Slice the apple into thick rounds and remove the seeds. They look like tiny flying saucers. Step 2. Spread peanut butter on each slice. Smooth and swirly. Extra swirls, please. Step 3. Sprinkle crushed cornflakes on top for the crunch. Ta-da! Apple flying saucers with golden shields. Last step. Stick them in the fridge for 10 minutes to chill. Best homework fuel ever! Quick to make, quick to disappear.